Greetings, everybody. So I just wanted to make a short video to kind of talk through Project One a little bit, give you some thoughts and insight and some pointers on kind of what you're doing. So remember that on the 31st, the first draft is due. And the first draft is basically 300 words of the essay. And so you'll turn that in, and I will give you feedback on that. And using my feedback and ideally finishing out the essay will be sort of what the final draft is. So Project One is it's a short memoir. Memoirs are kind of accounts of personal experiences, and ideally this is a significant experience that had some impact on you. And of course, you will be the person who determines what that is and how that plays out in the story. A few thoughts. Please don't feel like you have to dig into the deepest, most emotionally significant moment in your life. I'm not looking for that. I am certainly not going to be grading on whether or not I think the experience was significant. What you're trying to do is convey the significance of some event. Play the game the way that you want to play it. Tell the thing you want to tell. Tell the thing that you are comfortable telling. Only do exactly what works for you. If you would like to hide things, hide them, right? I can't know. But what I would say is in your story, make sure that when you are proofreading, you look for gaps. You make sure that the things are understandable based on the sort of world you built in this little story. I'm going to be looking at detail. I'm going to be looking at how the story unfolds, whether or not I can understand what's going on. As far as formatting and layout, follow the model examples that you have, right? Follow one of them that you like and say, oh, I'm going to do it kind of this way. That all works for me. It is only necessary to include what helps you understand the story, and it is only necessary to cut out the extraneous information. Sometimes people will turn in a story to me and they will account for like their birth, and they'll account for like their entire family history, and maybe that's not necessary. That might not be necessary for me to understand like this meaningful day at Disney World. So eliminate what is not necessary to help kind of indicate the point that you're trying to make. The only real rules here are you want to have multiple paragraphs and you want it to get to the ultimate length of 1,200 words. Maximum. So if you have additional questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a good week, and I'll see you later.